Every time I try to hate on Luigi tires, we ride it and it totally redeems itself. So it looks like we got some early Christmas merchandise out. Check this out. It's a Mickey stocking hat, or Minnie stocking hat. I guess there's a Mickey one too. Look what I found. Superhero Mickey plushes. That's Iron Man Mickey. And that's Spider-Man Mickey. And at the Disney Showcase, there's a little more early Christmas merchandise. This is new.
Is your pickup time?
And by special request, here's a quick look inside the magic shop.
This one here is called the link deck. When we first got it in, it was called
No, you're not giving it to
Boy, I think Mary wanted to know if you guys had any mustard. Oh, you?
Do we got any mustard? Yeah, we do.
The only problem I have with that is like the music that you wrote just for the show.
I love it. You can take a playing card. All you have to do is balance it on your knee. See, you're sorting a little red light right there. All you have to do is reach inside, take the light out, put it right inside. Yeah, you can take the light out, place it right inside, you pull it out over here.
La 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 la, I'm just walking all over to Disney's California Adventure. I'm gonna go there right now and have some fun there. Hey, who's that kid? I know that kid. That's the Disney Ninja. Oh, thank you for punching me in the stomach, Disney Ninja.
You're welcome.
I'm so grateful that you did that. Monorail. So yes, the Disney Ninja is here, and I'm also grateful for that. I'm grateful that we are now going to go on some rides and stuff. We've had to wait at least 3 or 4 minutes right now to get in line. I'm ready to revolt. It's anarchy.
Anarchy!
Anarchy! First thing we're gonna do, the Disney Ninja and I, is go on the hamburger ride. This is where they have the hamburger ride. Do we have fast passes? No? Alright, we'll have to go stand by then.
minutes.
90 minutes. You could ride Luigi's and Mater's 3 times each. So as you might have noticed by that board, Radiator Springs Racers is 90 minutes right now, but it's a walk-on. Well, the sign said walk-on for Mater's and 20 minutes for Luigi's. So I guess we'll be doing that right now, right? Yes. By nodding, he's saying yes. He's stating the affirmative. You guys hear that? That's the sound of fun. Let's do some of that. Oh, we should go to Ghirardelli's. That's where we should go.
Oh!
Yeah, right? No frozen lemonade, Ghirardelli's. That's what I'm saying. Ghirardelli, yeah, Ghirardelli's. Whatever. It's Luigi's Casa della Tires. Let's go get some tires and stuff. It says 20 minutes on the board. But there's nobody on the first queue. That's good. Alright. Oh, there's the line right there. Okay, here we go. Woo! The ninja is off. He's going to go find one that's somewhere. Somewhere! Ah! Okay, forward! 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 Right! Ah! Bonsai! Every time I try to hate on Luigi tires, we ride it and it totally redeems itself.
You're welcome.
That was kind of fun. Yeah, so if it wasn't for the ridiculously long and tedious line, that would be a lot more fun, don't you think? He's nodding in agreement. The boy doesn't speak.
I am ready to race.
Yeah, I'm ready to race, Lightning. Say ka-chow.
I can't wait to leave these new tires on the pavement.
He didn't say it. Okay. Let's get some junkyard. This is a fun ride. I like this ride many times.
Not 10 minutes.
What?
This is not 10 minutes.
No, this will be more than 10 minutes, yeah. That's, we're looking at 2 or 3 cycles here. Start about ready to go get Maynard Junkyard Jamboree. That's exciting. Oh my God, this looks like so much fun. I can't wait to do this next time. Are you excited?
I guess, yeah.
That what?
I guess.
He guesses. That hurt.
What's he saying?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh, that was... whoa!
Shit!
Wait! Okay, 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 oh my God! Oh my God! I smashed you so hard, dude. Again! Oh!
I tried pushing you as hard as I could.
Dadgum, that was fun. Dadgum. Oh. Ow. Stop it. Open. Oh, magical. All right, here's a quick walkthrough of the Harbor Galley secret path. That's
Fresh bake.
super relevant. Yeah, there are people on there. On the way up to there, they're stuck. Yay! Yay! Yay!